Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know, I decided to go off on an adventure and make the best darn mac and cheese you will ever make with some sausage, tomatoes, lots and lots of cheese. Came out absolutely perfect. The ultimate comfort food. You're going to love this, so let me show you how to make it. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do here is grab up about 3 mild Italian sausages, take them out of the casing, break them up, and fry them. Well, those sausages are frying, I'm going to slice up, I'd say about 10 cherry tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are cut up and sausages are fried up, I'm just going to set these aside because we are going to use them later. Next up, we're going to throw 3 cups of macaroni noodles into some boiling water and cook these up for about 10 or 12 minutes until they're al dente, just so you can go through them with a fork but they're not too soggy. Now the noodles are done, we're going to give them a strain and then throw them back into the pot. Alrighty then, now the fun part, in with half a stick of butter or 4 tablespoons or 80 grams, however you want to measure it. Follow this by about 4 ounces of Velveeta or quick melt cheese. Just gotta have lots of cheese, eh? Now a big old handful or a cup or 2 of Tex-Mex or mixed cheese, which is a combination of mozzarella, Monterey Jack, cheddar, lots and lots of cheesy. Season things up with a bit of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon or 2, depends on you. Of course, a teaspoon or 2 of ground black pepper. Another teaspoon or so of garlic. You know me, I've just got to have my garlic. You could also add other seasonings such as paprika, Italian seasoning, whatever you like. Now remember that Italian sausage we fried up? We are going to go in with that. Then, of course, them there tomatoes have been so ever patiently waiting. Of course, grab up the old spoon or spatula and give everything a stir around. And we are not even done yet, guys, and doesn't this look spectacular? I think so anyway. Now, I think I'm going to go in with some milk, maybe a couple of tablespoons, something like that. Next up, we're going to throw about half of this into our casserole dish. Maybe half, a little more, whatever you like. And you might be saying, well, why only half? Because we are going to layer this, kind of like a lasagna type of thing. Kind of spread things out so it's on the level. Then we'll grab up some more cheese. And of course, over the top of that cheese, a good layer on there. And you probably guessed it by now, another layer of the mac and cheese mixture. I mean, we just gotta have 2 layers of goodness on here. Isn't this kind of comfort food at its best? I think so. Now a little secret here, guys, to make it super duper creamy and rich, I'm gonna add 2 eggs to about 3/4 of a cup of milk. And you can use heavy cream or half and half, depending on how diet conscious and how rich you want it, but yeah. 2% is good enough for me. Of course, we're going to give everything a good mix until it's well combined. And I guess this is kind of a custard we're making here. Now, of course, over top of the mac and cheese, we're going to pour this, and oh, this is going to be so yummy. And of course, you got it, another layer of cheese. Guys, I'm really beginning to think I'm nothing but a big mouse. Yes, a big mouse. Now we're going into a 350-degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes or half an hour. After about 30 momentos, just look at this, guys. Soul food, comfort food at its best. Of course, we gotta garnish this up with a bit of parsley, just for that green pop of freshness. And there you have it, guys. The best darn mac and cheese you will ever make. Comfort food supreme. I think that's a good name. What do you think? Okay, let's kind of spoon in here and see what we have. To me, this is looking, so darn good. And I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. Just look at this, my friends. Isn't this absolutely spectacular? I think the crowd is going to go crazy and rant and rave, and the family and all your friends will just love it. I don't know. Let me know. And you bite into this. It is absolutely sensational. I mean, the sausage, the tomatoes, all that cheese and the creaminess, absolutely fantastic comfort food, a must make. And if you do make it, leave us a comment because I love reading them. And most of all, give us a like because it helps the channel out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe. See you next time.